Sound suppressor water now flowing
15.
under the ML. And here we go.
Again,
10.
hydrogen sparks to burn off.
7,
400,000 gallons
5,
of water.
4-stage
Oh my
engine
God,
start.
guys.
3, 2, 1. Boosters in ignition. And liftoff of Artemis 1. We rise together back to the moon and beyond.
Oh, guys, it's going.
Oh, look at all that.
5 engines on the core stage and 2 solid
Wow.
rocket boosters now propelling the vehicle at 128 miles per hour.
That's amazing.
Carrying good control.
Looks so much like a shuttle launch because of those solid rocket boosters.
30 seconds into the flight of Artemis 1. First milestone will be for the vehicle
Same
to pass
engines,
Max
too.
Q
I'm
in
just
about 1 minute and
so
9 seconds
reminiscent
to
of it.
launch. This is the greatest period of
Now, those
active
solid
force
rocket
level.
boosters are burning 6 tons of propellant per second.
SLS now traveling 607 miles per hour. You're looking at 8.8 million pounds of maximum thrust. Quiet here in the loops in mission control. The 4 core stage engines throttling down ahead of passing through Max Q.
Max Q is the highest forcing on the vehicle itself.
Now 1 minute, 21 seconds into the flight, traveling at 1,420 miles per hour. The 4 core stage engines are back at maximum thrust.
Just spectacular.
The next major milestone will be for the solid rocket boosters to cut off and jettison at about 2 minutes and 11 seconds into the flight, so about 30 seconds from now. Again, quiet here in Mission Control Houston as teams continue monitoring the flight of Artemis 1. We're now 16 miles downrange from the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center, traveling over 2,800 miles per hour.
That's incredible.
Standing by for solid rocket booster jettison and shortly thereafter.
Oh my.
Spectacular. Oh my goodness.
Confirmation that the solid rocket boosters have separated these 177-foot
Perfect.
boosters. Now the core stage continues to power the flight of Orion, all 4 RS-25 engines firing, traveling over 3,400 miles per hour, 46 miles downrange.
Wow.
2 minutes and 36 seconds into the flight. Hearing nominal calls here in Mission Control Houston. We've still got 4 good engines on the core stage. Next up, we'll be looking for the service module fairing to separate. This is 3 15 by 15-foot fairing panels, providing structural support, protecting the service module. Those will separate at about 3 minutes and 11 seconds into flight, and very shortly thereafter will be followed by the launch abort system separation.
The launch abort system is
Just
the
over 3 minutes into
very
the flight of Artemis
little
1,
narrow
traveling
cone at the
with
top.
winds of 60 miles per hour, 83 miles downrange. We just had confirmation that the service module fairing has separated.
Wow. There, look at the camera. Wow.
And that the launch abort system pyros have fired, separating those from Orion as well.